Y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a barbecue chicken chaffle with coleslaw today. Ingredients are pretty simple. If you want to know how to make this, stick around. Okay, today we're using a waffle iron, cooking spray, 2 cups of leftover rotisserie chicken, 2 tablespoons of G.Hughes barbecue sauce, 1 egg, a half a cup of mozzarella, salt and pepper. Also, for the coleslaw, you'll need coleslaw mix, 1 tablespoon of mayo, a squirt of mustard, and just a sprinkle of Lakanto sweetener. This is optional. All right, for the coleslaw, mix the coleslaw, mustard, mayo, sweetener until you get the consistency you want. If it's too watery, just add more mix. If it's too thick, just add more mayo. You have to shake the mustard up. You know, we don't want that little mustard juicy stuff that comes out. We don't want that. Just a little sweetener. I like my coleslaw to be kind of sweet. Make sure your waffle iron is sprayed really well because you don't want your chaffle to stick. Now, mix the egg, cheese, salt, and pepper. You're going to pour half of the mixture into the waffle iron to make 2 chaffles. Once it's all mixed up, this is the consistency of your mixture. This should make 2 mini chaffles. When the light indicator goes off, your chaffle should be ready. Now we can go ahead and start warming up our chicken. I'm going to use a little water, possibly add a little salt and pepper to spicing it up just a little. So simple, right? Now, let's put this together. You can add more chicken or just leave less. But who doesn't want more? Doesn't this look scrumptious? It only took 20 minutes to prepare. It can be a quick snack or dinner. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.